Science Maximites, my name is Phil, and this is Science Max Experiments at Large. Whoa, oh, I better spin the other way. Today, we're gonna be taking a closer look at spinning. Well, all things spinning. Spinning, rolling, rotation in all its forms. And, when things spin, they're subject to a whole bunch of different forces, and some are strong enough to even counteract gravity. So let's get spinning! Whoa. Okay, let's get spinning! We are going to make a gyroscopic whirligig, and it spins, and I don't, which is a good thing. Watch this. You pull the string, and it spins, and it stands on its end.
Why does it stand on its end when it spins? Because of angular momentum, which we'll get to later.
And here's how you can make one of your own.
You will need some craft sticks, string, a small zip tie, a shish kebab skewer, spacers like these wood blocks, and finally some round discs, which you can cut out of plastic or find from parts of broken toys. Now, if you want to research this yourself, look up Gyroscopic Whirlygig.
Get 2 craft sticks and glue them to your wooden blocks just like this, and then do it again.
Space them apart and glue them to crosswise craft sticks, and this will be your launcher.
You put your hand in the small end, and the longer end here is where you put your gyroscopic whirligig. Now let's make that. What you want to do is you want to take a shish kebab skewer or whatever fits the diameter hole of the round things that you're using. I like to use little plastic discs from, these are from remote control mechanisms, but you can use anything you want.
I found that this launcher works best with 4 discs of the same size.
Just like that.
Space them out evenly, glue them down, and cut the skewer even on both sides. Then add your zip tie. Put it right in the middle, tighten it up, and cut off the dangling end. This zip tie just gives you somewhere for the string to hold on when you wind it up. Now for your pull handle. Glue 2 craft sticks and 2 wooden blocks, then 2 more craft sticks on the sides. Then tie a string to the middle, wrap that string around the middle of the whirligig, and
ha! You have a gyroscopic whirligig, a pull handle, a rope, and your launcher. Now remember, you put your hand in like this, and you fit your gyroscopic whirligig in just like that, and you pull towards you, and it spins! Oh, and that's what we're gonna be doing today, Science Maximites. We're gonna max out a spinning rig, something like this. It's gonna spin bigger, faster, more weight. It's gonna be totally maxed out. So come on.